There is something about a summer garden that makes you want to linger. The warmth of the sun, the scent of lavender carried gently on the breeze, and the soft hum of bees moving from flower to flower. They seem completely at home here, busy among the purple blooms, gathering what they need as summer unfolds around them. I could watch them for ages. There is always one that seems to disappear completely into the flowers, only to emerge a moment later, covered in tiny speckles of pollen. Then another, following its own path through the lavender flowers. The garden seems to belong to them in these summer moments. Perhaps one of the loveliest things about summer is there is always something happening just beyond our notice. A bee finding the perfect flower, a butterfly passing through, the sound of a bird in the distant tree, and somewhere beyond the garden, the world carries on. But here, among the lavender, the afternoon seems to belong entirely to summer. And for a little while, there is nothing more to do than simply sit and watch. Just a quiet summer afternoon, slowly unfolding amongst the lavender